G'day and welcome to Johnny's Bite Sizes. Just going to knock up a little bite-sized snack in the form of nutty, oaty protein balls. So I've got 100 grams of oats in a bowl, got 100 grams of sultanas in a bowl, got 100 grams of peanut butter, smooth. I suppose you could use nutty peanut butter, it would add to the flavour with the nuts. In the bowl, I've got about 50 grams of honey. I'm going to pour that in, get that mixed in. And then I've got some ground almonds. And you can put other nuts in, you can put anything else in you like, really. Put that in there for a bit of flavour. And I thought I'd just spice it up with a little bit of milk chocolate chunks. So I'm just going to chuck a few of them in there. Right, in fact, chuck them all in there. There we go. Right, mix it all up. Okay, so I've mixed it around. I'm just going to use my hands now to squidge all that peanut butter, get all those oats mixed in properly. And then we're going to roll it out of the tray, chuck it in the fridge for a little bit and see how they come out. Now we're going to bang them in the fridge.